Happy first day of school. Okay, so good check. I have this backpack for
I wonder if I changed my number. Would you wanna know? It's the coldest kind of comfort that we could talk, but we don't. We spent summer swimming in a sunset haze. Technicolor, crazy how fast it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we tried.
happy first day of school. I woke up at 8 today and I went to get breakfast with my friends before I have to go to class. I have class today at 11 and then an online discussion later at 2. Another one of my 2-hour discussion got canceled because it is a Friday. Our quarter started yesterday on a Thursday, but I have no classes on Thursday, so today is my first day of classes. Because it starts later in the week, sometimes discussions get canceled this very first week 0. I need to now get ready for classes. Tonight I also have dinner plans at my friend's place to get a hot pot. First day of junior year. So crazy. I feel so old on campus now. I'm gonna start getting ready. I also wanted to talk a little bit about the classes I have this quarter. I'm taking 3 classes, 1 math, 1 stats, and 1 CS class. I think this year I would mostly be taking major or minor classes. I won't be doing as many GE classes, but I can take just 3 classes per quarter. But at the same time, the classes are going to be significantly harder than my last 2 years. That is something that I am trying to mentally prepare for.
La 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 la. A hopeless romantic all my life.
This is the hair and it is 10 something, so I still have a little bit of more time before I have to go on campus. I think I will pack up my bags and maybe do like a mini what's in my bag. So I have been using my JanSport backpack for a while now. I don't really have that much in here. I have an extra set of chargers for my computer just in case for when I'll be studying on campus. And then obviously I have both my iPad and my laptop. I also have my headphones. My Sony headphones in this little pouch so that it doesn't get too dirty. I have my water bottle that I need to fill up. You gotta have a pack of gum, little pouches, like a little first aid kit, my tissue paper. Okay, so fit check. I have Uniqlo crop top, Uniqlo cargo pants, and then a jacket because it's kind of foggy out, and then backpack. Yay! Okay, now I need to go. Bye!
Couples all the time. I guess I should take it as a sign. I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I found a lover that could hold.
I got Yoshinoya and the line was so long. I waited for like 30 minutes, but
In my room, so skeptical of love, but still I wanted more, more, more. I gave a second chance to Cupid.
It is 1:52 and my discussion is at 2 o'clock. It is online today, which is really nice because I just want to be in the dorm. We'll see how it goes. The first class was really hard. I feel like I didn't really understand anything, but I think it would be an interesting class to learn about just because the material is very new. Anyways, I need to go into my meeting soon.
It's you. Love is so easy to do, and it's easy, baby. Oh, think that I'm falling.
are planning to do a hot pot night, so we're here at 99 Ranch. Got some goodies.
Yes, it's another Sunday afternoon, and I'm still in bed with you. Nothing else I wanna do. No. Order from the place you like. We don't need to go.
我被菜挡住了。
哦，不好意思，挡到你的光了。
Go outside, cause something about you feels so right. Can we stay like this forever?
没有，你先看这个 spillage。然后再看 how red this is。
A white dress or whatever. I keep dreaming there's a somewhere where we grow old together. It's you. Love is so easy to do, and it's easy, baby. Think that I'm falling for you. Yeah, it's easy. I met you at the right time. See you and I'm still excited. Sitting on the shallow mind. A little bit, but I like it. Snacks on the late night. We don't even do fine dining. Make love in the sunrise. Pillow talk in silence. Like this forever. A white dress or whatever. I keep dreaming there's a somewhere